Hello everybody, thanks for checking out the video. Alright, I can't do it anymore. Guys, would you still be subscribed to me if I sounded like that? I don't know why you're subscribed to me now, but what's up? Thanks for checking out the video. We're freaking ripping the Razor. Sorry, I had to pause for, the throttle one-hander. What's up, guys? How you doing? Still riding the Razor because the Triple X is down. Going to run some errands, believe it or not. But I figured I'd grab my bike, woo, and do a little ride while we go do errands. We're probably gonna get distracted. Apologies for the extra short shorts, but that's what it is right now. Excuse me, everybody. Razor coming through. Do. Thought these scooters wanted to race, but they clearly don't want the smoke. I guess this car is taking this lane. Excuse me. Ooh, quick little U-turn by the Beamer. Hello, sir. Whoa! Get it together, Connor. Oh, a beautiful day in the city. Come on now. Oh, guys, I forgot how fun this damn bike was. If you want to build one, use code ConnorG for everything from Electro & Co. This whole bike is built with Electro & Co. parts. So, ConnorG will get you 5% off. I totally recommend it, guys. This bike is freaking awesome. Guys, I'm not going to lie. I'm not wearing underwear right now just because I kind of forgot to put it on today. And I'm afraid of just exposing myself right now. Woo! Alright, we've been practicing seat standers. Let's try and get one right here. We'll do a 2-foot seat stander. Oh, baby! It's a very awkward position to be in. Don't worry, Subaru Outback, he didn't like that, but it's all good because life goes on, you know. Oh, we got a little trail up here that we'll hit up. Let's go freaking rip some shit. Oh, this is bumpy. I'm out here feeling like it's Friday, but it's not Friday, unfortunately. But it's all good. We're still just as happy. We're gonna turn around and hit that trail here in a second. But let's go swing by the cafe first, see if anyone's around, hanging out. Woo-wee. Guys, I did a stoppie right at this location here on the Talaria. Flipped it completely over. That was a couple weeks ago. We all good. The bike's all good. Just abusing my bikes as I do. See if anyone's down here. See somebody outside. Ooh. Good to see you, dude. You charging up? Nice. See, I'm just out running errands. I'm like, I'll pop by, see if anyone's at the cafe. All right, quick pit stop is complete. And we're gonna go hit this little trail up over here. And then eventually go do the errands that I'm ignoring right now. Let's go up over here. Sorry, I keep going in and out of the British accent. I either gotta commit or just keep it American. All right, let's go up to an Enoch and then get back down. Enoch. Just gotta drop back enough. Back down. Sumo's off-road, baby. Let's take this one first. Oh yeah, you always get people walking their pups here. They always like to bark at the bike. Oh, that's a fun hill climb there. We'll turn around. Can we freaking Enoch in the woods? Kind of. Oh, there's another little hill climb. Woo. Oh, shoot. Oh, this just turns to grass right here, and we have no grip whatsoever. Oh, this bike is so fun. Oh, that's new. I don't think I've ever seen that. There's little reflector things. Holy shit. Oh. Very thick in here. Gonna have to do a tick check after this. All right, that was a little anticlimactic. You guys like this trail riding content? If you do, oh, that's what I was looking for. If you do, let me know down in the comments. I'll do some more. I definitely want to do some more on the XXX. It's a little better than this off-road. This is still good though, with all the suspension upgraded and everything. I'm just a total shite off-road rider is all. Woo-hoo-hoo. Yeah, buddy. I love it. I said I was gonna keep these white shoes clean. But look at this, guys. Come on now. Come on. Guys, now that we are in this little serenity here in the woods, you wouldn't even know you're in the middle of Philadelphia. I do want to talk about Chicago. Is this loose? Totally loose. Oh, it looks like this one came off entirely. That's why I hear all this rattling. Oh, the battery's about to come out, bro. We'll get you back up and running here. Just slide that through. Yeah, but anyways, guys, I don't think Chicago Mega Ride is very likely at this point. There's a couple reasons. One, I just am not really looking to drive that far right now. I gotta take my car to get serviced anyways because it's making some whack-ass sound right now. So that's obviously not confidence inspiring if you're gonna have to drive 12 hours because that's how long it would be for me. And I don't know, Corey, One Way Corey is also having a ride out that weekend, that whole weekend. So like if I could just ride out with the homies at home, it'd be great. I mean, I'd love to see all the other homies from the mega rides. That would be awesome, but I just don't know if it makes sense for me right now because I also have a ton of other videos that I have in the works or that I need to have in the works very shortly that kind of take precedent over Chicago. So that's where I'm at right now. Woo-hoo-hoo. Let's get a one-hander going down the hill. Woo-hoo. Come on now. Come on now. Am I crazy? I glanced really quickly at, I guess, what's a Charger, and I saw the straight line in the front, and I thought it was a freaking Cybertruck for a second. Oh yeah, but look at this, people. There is our beautiful art museum right there. Oh yeah, there's trails right here. Excuse me, thank you. I love it when you say something to them and they just don't respond. Woo. Thank you. Ooh, tight in here. Fucking. You either get good vibes or bad vibes from people. Woo! I can't see. Now I can see. I think it gets gnarly up. Or down here, rather. Oh, here we go, here we go. Ugh. Gnarly is relative, of course. I really hope I don't get a flat on this one, too, and they just have two bikes with flats. That would suck. Yep, just go right here. Oh, damn, son! Forgot about this section. But the beauty of the Razor is it's so small and light, like, assuming this isn't really slippery, we should just be able to walk her down. Here we are. Call me Graham Jarvis. Whoa. Big freaking drops and rocks. If you're into mountain biking, this is the spot for you. I think it lends itself to that a little more than Razors. Woo. Oh, 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 Woo. God, imagine trying to do this on stock Razor suspension. You would literally die. Let's merge here. Kelly drive, baby. It's so crazy we can just keep up with them, no problem, too. Let me get a seat stander for y'all. Single foot. There we go. There we go. There we go, baby! We're getting better! We're getting better, guys! Oh my god! Oh, can we take the turn? Oh my god! Oh my god! We just took the turn! We just took the turn in a seat stander with 1 foot! Holy hell! That was pretty sweet! Alright, I think I owe you guys a nice long one-hander right now. down this hill. So here goes. Oh, there goes. Haha. No, come on now. Throttle one-handers are so fun. Once you get over the fear part of it, they're so fun. Like, you're actually floating. Like, look at that, buddy. Just look at it. Sorry, guys, I'm on like crazy mode right now. I don't really know why. Alright, guys, I'm gonna try and get a quick little combo line and then let you guys go. So ready? Let's start with a throttle one-hander all the way back to a hand drag. Let's try that again. Okay. Good, good, good. And brake one-hander. Come on now. Woo! And we will slow it down. Throw in another throttle one-hander just for good measure. Then we'll pop up to the knee knock. Take a foot off. Oh, let's pretend we didn't put the front wheel down. Crossover. Down to side saddle. And let's pretend that it was all perfect and I'm the best rider ever. Actually, I'll end with another single foot seat stander because I'm trying to get better at these. Ooh. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I have so much content to come yet. Razor, Talaria, whole bunch of stuff. But I appreciate every single one of you. Road to 100K right now, so please subscribe. And I don't know. See you next time. Peace.
Dior, Gucci, Roy, Tusi. She's a movie but means nothing to me. A-list singer and she's just a